So let's start. Open the Tinker card. Just wait. Click circuit. Then create new circuit. Let's wait for it. In making running message using Arduino, we have 5 components. We have breadboard, the Arduino, potentiometer, resistor, and change into 220 ohms. And let's rotate it. And the LCD 16:2. Put the potentiometer on the breadboard. Connect 5 volts from Arduino to the positive connection of the breadboard. Then change into red color. Connect ground from Arduino to negative connection of the breadboard. Connect positive to positive connection of the breadboard, change into red. Negative to negative connection of the breadboard. Connect first terminal of the potentiometer to positive connection of the breadboard, change into red. Connect wiper to the LCD, which is contrast, and change into yellow color. Connect the second terminal of the potentiometer to negative. Then connect negative of the breadboard to LCD, which is ground. Then positive to power of the LCD. Change into black color. To have a connection here, we will connect it into LCD, which is the register select. Let's move. Then change into orange color. Then connect negative to the LCD, which is red or right. Change into pink color. Another connections to LCD, which is enable. Change into purple color. Connect negative connections from breadboard to LCD, which is the lead cathode. We connect from here to LCD, which is LED anode, and change into turquoise color. Another connection to DB7 of the LCD, change into blue color. From here to DB6, change into gray color. Then another connections from here to DB5, change into brown color. We have connections from here to DB4 of the LCD, change into yellow color. Then put the resistor to the circuit line of the breadboard, which is connected to the LED anode of the LCD. Next, connect the D12 from Arduino to the aligned circuit of the breadboard, which connected from the LCD. The register select and change the color accordingly, which connected from LCD. Then D11 from Arduino to align circuit of the breadboard of the LCD, which is the enable. D5 to align circuit of DB4 and change the color. D4 to align circuit of DB5. D3 to align circuit of DB6. Then D2 to align circuit of DB7. DB7 of the LCD. Let's go to the code. Click text, then continue. Let's delete the code because it's not being coded. Since I already have a code in my notepad, let's copy and paste it. As we can see, we have hashtag include liquid crystal.h, the void setup, the void loop, void basic print demo. We set the delay into 1000, and to print text we set the delay into 500. Void scroll left demo for displaying text. LCD print CT318 microprocessor by Cecil Rubin. Then we have void loop to cool for display the basic print demo, to print the text, which is the CT318 microprocessor by Cecil Rubin. and the scroll left demo, which can display text and move slowly to the left of the LCD. Let's start simulation. So it's already done. This is the output of the running message using the Arduino.